how to backup alarm clock data to the cloud on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. And from here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. In here, in the Samsung Cloud section, tap on backup data. Then we go down and tap on clock. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on and turn off any other items that you do not wish to backup right now. Then we go down and tap on backup now button. And then tap on done. Then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.